Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the e-way bill. So e-way bill is nothing but the electronic way bill. So it is the electronic permit for shipping goods from one place to another. So we are going to execute that in Tally Prime. So it is a model e-way bill that is generated in the e-way bill portal. So we will see how to configure this in Tally Prime. So I'm going to create a company. Let it be ABC Private Limited. So the pin code address should be clear, so that it will help in configuring the e-way bill. So the GST activation is important for e-way bill. So the GST applicable date is 2017 June July. So I'm giving some GST number. So we have already discussed all these things in our previous video, how to activate the GST. If you are not go through those videos, I will share the link in the description of this video. Kindly view it. So these features are very important. This is the e-way bill activation column. So it shows threshold limit is 50,000. So any invoice value that is more than that is above 50,000 will have the GST will have the e-way bill applicable feature in it. So this shows this is applicable for intrastate. So even the intrastate transaction whose invoice value more than 50,000 rupees should have the e-way bill attached with that invoice. So I'm accepting these things. Okay, I've created the company and also activated the GST along with the e-way bill. Okay, I'm changing the period 31/3. Okay, so I'm going to create the customer. Okay, let my customer name be XYZ. It comes under sundry debtor. So the pin code, let it be so I'm assuming this transaction as intra transaction. So my customer also is in the same state, Tamil Nadu. Let me go with the Z0. So I'm going to perform the intra transaction here. Similarly, the sales account, let me specify that it is intra. Okay, so sorry for a mistake. Okay, sales account, and it should come under sales taxable. Similarly, I want to create the stock item. So I'm going to transfer this stock item. So let me create a material called engine piston. So creating the units. So I have to update the HSIN number and description for the same. So to get the HSIN number, I can even check it from my Google. So it is HSIN number. It shows it is a piston rings. So I can use this HSIN number 840991. 8 840991. Okay. Okay. Let it be on value. It is a taxable 18 percentage. So I'm going to sell this piston to my customer. So I'm having it as a opening stock. Let it be 10,000 rupees per. Okay. So I've created the item. Now I'm going to do the sales voucher. Going on to the sales. So my customer. It is sales taxable. Engine piston. I'm going to sell the piston. 5 units. 10,000 rupees. So if the voucher rate, so if the invoice values 50,000 and above 50,000, the GST will be enabled. So here provide GST e-way bill details. Clicking on yes. So I have to give all these details. So this is the bill from this is our address. So let's say this is the address. Let it be Chennai. And this is the consignee details. Let's say it is in Madurai. So the mode of transport is by road. By means of road, it will reach the customer. So let it be a distance of the distance it need to cover is 500 kilometer. So I'm going to move these goods to Madurai using a transporter. I'm going to create a transporter. Let it be AST transports. So the transporter ID is again the GST number. I can give any GST number here. So the vehicle number, vehicle type, and the date. So I've provided all the details. Going to save it. So I have saved the entry. So we have a warning here. So the warning is I have not provided the see here. What we have given in the pin code is something wrong. So I'm just giving some possible correct pin code so that it will accept. Okay. Okay. Now it specifies to the next step. So I'm going to export the e-way bill. So once if I want to say once I save the document, it directs me to the export EV bill. So I will export this bill in the JSON format. So just click on send. I will export the this document here. So this is the JSON format. I will cut this document and paste it in my desktop. So this is the EV bill in JSON format. So now I'm going to upload this in my EV bill portal. So I'm just entering into the Google. So click on EV bill portal. So click on EV bill login. So the dialog box will appear like this. So we can log in using the username and password. So once if I log in into my portal, I will upload the this file, this JSON format file in my EV bill login portal. Then it automatically pop up with the EV bill like this. So this is a sample EV bill. So once this file is generated, you can have this EV bill number here. So you can have the printout of this bill, and also this number, this EV bill number. I have to update this 12-digit number in my Tally Prime. So I will update that number here. So this 12-digit number, once I have updated, okay, things are okay now. So I can have the printout of this bill from my EV bill portal, and also if I take the printout of this sales document, let me show it. Print current. Okay, click on enter, click on preview. So this is the printout. So you can see that the EV bill number is updated in my invoice. So this document, this EV bill document along with the bill, I can set it to my customer. So by this way we can configure EV bill in my Tally Prime. Thank you for watching this video.